Hello guys. Wala pa, pero naiiyak na ako. Ay, this is me after giving birth to my firstborn in 2014. And looking back at these photos, I can see how much motherhood has changed me. Not just physically, but also the way I see myself. Tignan nyo naman yan. In 2018, I became pregnant with my daughter, my second baby. During that pregnancy, my weight reached around 96 to 100 kilos. After giving birth, I was around 86 kilos. Laki. Then came my third baby in 2021. At that time, I honestly thought, okay, this is probably our last. So, kinausap ko yung husband ko na magpaparino na ako. After pandemic, and I love how natural the result was. It was so natural that even my family and friends, hindi nila napupansin. Siguro kasi same weight pa din. Ang laki ko pa din. For so many years, I struggled to lose weight. I tried dieting, but it's never easy. My body had gone through so many pregnancies, changes, and seasons of motherhood. And then, unexpectedly and surprisingly, I became pregnant with my fourth baby last year, 2025. After giving birth, I breastfed for a year. I gave myself time to heal, recover, and take care of my baby. After 1 year postpartum, I slowly started focusing healthier meals and taking better care of myself. And now, August 2026, I decided to begin my third set journey to help me work toward my healthy and ideal weight. So, kasi pag pregnant ako, nag-spike yung BP ko 140, 160 over 90. Tapos regular BP ko is 130 over 90. This week marks my third dose. Yes, third dose pa lang. After losing some water retention, as my body adjusts to treatment, I'm now 70.5 kilos. Yes, I know still have a long way to go. Mabigat pa din yun, 70.5 kilos. But physically, parang nag-lose weight na talaga ako. Because imagine, after more than 12 years of being around 82 to 86 kilos, this is my lowest weight. Like parang nung 2014, nung bago pa ako mabuntis dun kay Dan Rain. I'm excited to see what next 3 months cycle, not just for my body, but for my confidence, my strength, and my overall health. This journey isn't about becoming a small version of myself. It's about becoming a healthier version of myself. A version of me who can be strong and present for her 4 children and for my husband. A version of me who can look back one day and say, I never gave up on myself. So if you're also on your own journey, I hope you know that it's never too late to start again. This is my story, this is my body, and this is my journey. And I hope you support me as I continue becoming the healthiest version of myself for me and for my family. Thank you for watching, guys.